Hi, I'm Sean Horgan, and I'm a product manager at Google. And today we're going to talk about Prism, a performance analysis tool we built for LLM-D. Configuring your inference stack is super complicated. Models are constantly changing, infrastructure is constantly changing, and you have all these software components in between that need to get configured, which is why we built Prism. It's a way to bring all these different benchmarks and configurations together in a visual experience that allows you to navigate kind of all this complexity. Prism helps you pick the right component and the right configuration based on the ground truth benchmarks that we've developed across many models and in pieces of infrastructure. Let's dig in. We've designed Prism to follow the LMD well-lit paths. These are in two different groups. The first group here are these foundational components that you can consider like the Lego bricks that you'd want to assemble into more integrative workloads, like you have here with agentic serving. Let's jump right into intelligent routing. Here you can see we have two different active configurations. The first one is the reference, which is standard Kubernetes routing, which is round robin your way through all the different vLLM or SGLang model serving engines. What we've also included here is something called approximate prefix cache aware routing, where the LMD router has got some intelligence about where the state for that router is stored over your request and can send it there instead, leading to what we've measured here, much lower latency and much higher throughput. These are all experiences that are important for your end users because they're going to get the responses faster and you'll be able to serve more of them, which is getting back to those key problems we're trying to solve. If you want to get started with a particular experience, once you found the option that works for you, you can click on the guide that we have linked here, and you can see this here and get started, and it'll show you those benchmarks as well as all the steps you need to get started and install this on your own. You can see here a visual that shows you those same results and a table at the end that shows you the details that you can export yourself. Let's show you another one of these guides. This here is a more integrative workload for agentic code generation. And here we show you three total options, but two different beyond the standard Kubernetes routing. One is for the LMD router, which uses prefix aware routing like we showed the last time, but also something called KB cache offloading, as well as some combined optimizations that include some changes at the kernel level. And again, what we can show here is both lower latency, so that's a faster response for your end users, and higher throughput, which means you can do more and serve more users with less infrastructure. You can see this shown here visually with the orange line showing the standard Kubernetes service, and these other lines here showing the benefits of the different optimizations. Going back to the main experience here, you can see that we've built Prism for many different roles, starting with the feature developers, the folks running benchmarks, as well as the people who are responsible for designing these solutions and putting these solutions in production with these stack operators. And Prism is built on top of many different components underneath the surface here, from a robust catalog of different workloads going beyond agentic serving to multi-turn chat and document summarization, to the test harnesses, standard report format, and the LMD result store, which is where we store all these results. And so just giving you a quick demo of Prism, which is a performance analysis tool for LMD that helps you pick the right components and choose the right configurations for your distributed inference stack. To get started, you can go to prism.llm-d.ai to find the right well-lit path and to get started.